So guys, today we have done this basic Thar to a unique modification. And unique modification, what we have done in this vehicle, we're going to give it a brief. If we talk about the front standout, we have given them first of all the Proman metal bumper. You can see this is Mark 1, which is a latest version of the bumper. You can see the rugged look of this. Along with that, if we talk about the headlights, we have given them the one of the best headlights that is called Ozone, and this is going to be 7070 model, which come with high and low beam, and it's going to give you a throw up to 150 meters. Come with a DRL, you can see the outcome of this lightning. Similarly, along with that, we have given them the fog lamps as well for the road clearance and visibility for the highways. This is again from Ozone. There's a tricolor options because of the rains as well as for the all weather conditions. If we talk about ahead on the side profile, we have given them the Thar badging, you can see. Along with that, the best part what we are given in this, the door hinges, which is the combination of black and red from Proman. And along with that, if we talk about the back profile, the best is we have given them the lightning solution for the tail lamps. This is called an infinity lights with the reflectors. And you can see the combination of back tail lamps matching with the reflectors as well. Along with that, if we talk about the inner profile, we have given them a complete modification in terms of your hydro dipping. You can see we have given them the complete hydro dipping with a carbon finish. Which parts we have done, you can see in this video. So hydro dipping, you can see we have given them the center consoles, all the door pads, you can see the handles, everything you can see in this video where we have done the complete carbon hydro dipping. So since it's a basic vehicle, we have to enhance the inner look, we have given them the complete system with 360. This is MI system, which is going to support your all 360 continuous recording, Apple or Android complete wireless. So along with that, you can see the screen size is matching. We have given them the bigger screen. Along with that, we have given them the complete audio. So audio is again from the Audison company. We have given them the 165p, the components and the coaxials on the top. Along with that, we have given them the 4-channel amplifier to run these speakers are very powerful, and it's been designed and placed it in a neat and clean way. So along with that, we have given them the subwoofer. Customer was very particular about the bass. So we have given them a complete integrated subwoofer. This is made for Thar, and it's the entire audio you can profile what you can see. It's from Audison. Along with that, we have given them the complete roofing. It's complete matching to the interiors which we have given. The complete roofing with black and red stitch, you can see the outcome of that. It's completely neat and clean. And along with that, we have given them the best film that is called Rhine Pro. This is again a brand from USA. So to cut all unwanted heat, so we have given them the complete heating solution for the summers. So guys, if we talk ahead about the interiors, so we have given them the complete Thar specific ambient lights as well. Along with that, you can see the build, the finish of this ambient light with the complete AC vents. You can see the fit and finish, and it comes with a 256 multicolor option, and this is going to be all app based. Along this, we have given them the grab handles again with black and red combination of the grab handle. You can see it's again from Proman. So guys, this complete modification, and we have made it a unique vehicle that is Thar. And if you want to upgrade any kind of modification for your Thar or Thar Rocks, the best place is to come is RS CAR Modifiers, and we can give you the best solution for your vehicle. So guys, this vehicle you can see behind me, this is a complete modification from base to top. Thank you guys for watching the video.